Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have a math operation question. 18 divided by 3 times 2 plus 5 is how much? So you may solve it. This 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 2 plus 5 is 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. So this is incorrect because you are not following the rule of order of operation PEMDAS. P stands for the parenthesis or the expressions at the bracket. E stands for the exponent, and stands for the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In order to solve such kind of math operation, multiplication and division have the same priority, but we have to work it from left to right, and the same is true for addition and subtraction. So let's solve using this rule. This question we have a division, multiplication, and addition. So before to solve this one, we have to solve the division and multiplication because they have the same priority, so we have to work it from left to right. So 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 2 plus 5. What we left is a multiplication and addition. So multiplication has to be comes first before addition, so because of this rule. So 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5 which is 17. This is the correct answer. Here is a classic trap. So a division comes first before multiplication, right? Not exactly, so they are the same level. So what we do is from left to right. Remember, division and multiplication have the same priority. Don't give division a special treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.